Hi there, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In today's video, I will show you how you can add gradient background in your text widget using Divi. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. After logging in, go to Post and click on Add New. Here you have to add post title. I will add gradient and then click on Use Divi Builder. Now it will take you to Divi page builder setting. You can choose a layout. I will start building from scratch. Now here you can see your post name and meta was appear. Here is the section. By clicking on this blue plus button, you will see a row section. You can add a single row or multiple. Now the module section was appear. Search text module here. I will add this text module. Add your text. Now after adding text, go to background. Here is the background color. When you click on this plus button and select background, the background color was appear like that. But I will use a gradient background. So go to this second section. Here click on this plus button and now you can see the gradient color was appear. Now from here you can change the first and second color. I will select first this color and second this. Now here you can change the direction. Also you can change the start position like that and the end position. You can place gradient above background image like that, but we don't use any background image. Now go to design and directly go to spacing. Here we will add padding. Click on this link and then add 5 pixels of padding. Now add in top, bottom, left and right. Now click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and publish the post. Now you have successfully published the post. To take a live preview, click on Exit Visual Builder button. Now here you can see you have successfully added a text module with a background color. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on a bell icon. Thanks for watching.